Hello everyone. I'm going to do a review on a skincare product that I use. I get a lot of compliments on my skin, and it's really because I took an interest in it from before I was 12 years old. So I provided my brand, which is expensive, not affordable, but I'm also going to provide the drugstore alternative. So what I use is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. Yes, it does combat wrinkles and fine lines and all that stuff, and I'm only 25, but it really is super important to start addressing potential skin concerns early on. I accompany any moisturizer that I use with sunscreen. It doesn't really matter what kind of sunscreen as long as you apply it. What I do is I wash my face in the morning, I exfoliate, and then I put on my moisturizer and then my sunscreen. And then if you would like to use foundation or powder or something, I would put that on last after the sunscreen. So I'm going to open the box. I buy this from Macy's and it does cost $100. You can also buy it off the Estee Lauder website, and if you sign up with them, the more you buy, the points you get and you grow. And what's really cool with them is if you spend like $40 sometimes, you get a lot of free samples of their stuff, and most of their stuff is more than $40, so you're almost always getting free products. Like, I don't know how many travel size samples I have of this and their eye cream and their serums, and I really just love this brand, and I've been using it since I was 18, and I'm ready to pay the price because I've just been so happy with it. So I'm opening it up. Maybe I didn't do that good. Let me go back. So it's a really pretty bottle. It used to be $98, now it's $100, and it comes covered up like this, and it smells really nice, and it lasts me a really long time, and I use it sometimes 3 times a day. I definitely use it in the morning, so when I wake up I wash my face and I use it, and then before I go to bed I take a shower, I just wash my face, wash the day off my face, and I apply that. The alternative that I think is also really good that I used to use before I found this is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. I got this from Walgreens, and I think it was $18.99. This is like a super, it smells just as good. It's a great alternative. It doesn't cost as much, but it works just as well. But I think it's super important, and these are like all my secrets right here. I think it's super important to accompany moisturizer with sunscreen. I even put sunscreen on Saturday. Like, if I'm not going out on the weekend, I'm gonna be home, I also put on sunscreen. It's just become a habit. So I don't know, maybe I can test this. It's brand new, so I'm just struggling a little bit here. There we go. It also smells really good, and it's, you know, you don't need that much, but you know, spread it on your face. And it's not about quantity, it's about quality. So you don't need a lot on your face. What's important though is that you just do apply it. So that's my bit on skincare. I don't really wear makeup in the morning. This is really my makeup along with sunscreen, and yeah, that's it. So I definitely recommend though, if you're going to use this, to go on the Estee Lauder. It's free shipping, and you can grow with them, and even you can ask for like it to be a gift, and you get a really cool box, and you can use it for storage or for your makeup. So I always send a gift to myself. But anyways, so that ends that.